Pwede kayo dito. Anyway, si Piolo. Ay, huwag ka magtaka na nandiyan si Piolo. Kanina dito si Casing. Yan dito siya. Kasi may ano silang X-Factor doon sa Gaysa. Ay, sa... Anyway, andito naman ako eh. Ba't ka naman? Don Mariano, Ledesma, Lacson, and Maria Braga. Well, to indicate that she was a Portuguese behind her, pinapaint namin yung The Ruins of St. Paul Church in Macau, kung saan siya nanggaling. Yan yung pinaka-famous na ruins sa kanila ay behind of Don Mariano. Of course, bahay niya mismo, or the ruins of Talisay. Try to look at this picture first. Obviously, hindi ako to. This Eduardo Nene Lacson, isa sa mga apo ni Don Mariano, but sa Monaco na siya nakabase. And as far as I know, mayayaman lang daw nakatira doon. Umuwi lang dito once a year para mag-celebrate birthday. Last February 14 of 2009, dito siya nag-celebrate together with the famous and the richest people like Bongbong Marcos, Dico Wangco, Zuberi, Zubel. In fact, andyan din ako, wala na ako sa litrato. Of together with Mr. Raymond Havillana, yung may-ari na nito ngayon. Pero kung nakilala man ang place because of this Monegasque parties, much more na-curious yung tao kung bakit daw binisita kami nito. Kilala niyo? Oh. Yes, kilala ko rin siya. GMA, the former president of the Philippines, Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, pumunta rin or nagka-interest din because yung husband niya is also relatives of this family. Mike Arroyo is a great-grandson of General Aniceto Lacson. And that's what I say, General is the brother of Don Mariano. This is the original pictures of the family Lacson. Okay. This one. Okay. Try to look at him. Look-alike of Dr. Jose Rizal. Ang gwapo, pero nung tumanda na, look-alike of Vincio Padilla. Ang 84 namatay na siya year 1948. Ito yung 6 na anak niya babae na kung titigan nyo, wala namang kahilig-hilig magsuot ng ribbon sa ulo. Former governor of Negros, Rafael Lacson, Felipe, the one who supervised the construction of this mansion, Ramon Lacson, Eduardo Lacson, and this is Mercedes Lacson, who married to Havillana. Swerte pala malaki ribbon, siya nakabunot. But you know what? Out of 6 daughters of Don Mariano, 3 only are married. The 3 are all made. Married to Quaicong Havillana in Gonzaga. So, babalikan ko yung katanungan kanina kung bakit 13 yung anak niya, 8 kwarto lang doon. First, hindi po nakatira yung 3 dito sa second family niya. Pangalawa, may role siyang binigay sa 10 niyang anak na hindi kayo maaaring tumira dito kung may asawa na kayo. So yung 2 meron na, 8 kwarto na lang yung pinagawa niya. Then, nung nag-asawa ulit siya, sinunod niya rin yung role na binigay niya. Hindi niya pinatira. May hangin po, ma'am. Okay. Natural lang yun. Sinunod niya rin yung role na binigay niya. Hindi niya po pinatira dito. Umalis din siya because this mansion was built in honor of his wife, Maria Braga. Kaya nga tinawag to na the Taj Mahal of Negros because this was built in honor of his wife, Maria Braga. Well, para kay Maria Braga yung bahay na to, but sad to say, hindi rin siya nakatira dito. Kasi patay na siya nung pinatayo yung mansion. Why? Bakit? Pero tinuloy niya pa rin. Pero because you know what? Because of love and admiration of Don Mariano to his wife, Maria Braga, mamaya ituturo ko sa iyo, around the mansion makakakita tayo ng mga ganitong structural design. Try yung titigan. Nakita niyo ba ito? It looks like letter E, but this is not letter E. In fact, this is letter M, facing each other, stands for Mariano and Maria. Well, may nagtanong niyo sa akin, aber kung letter M yan, bakit pinatagilid, hindi na lang pinatayo? O, tanong patayin mo, kasi McDonald's. Makikita niyo daw po yung value ng isang bagay kung paghirapan niyo, titigan. So, kailangan niyo tumagil. So, that's all. Facing each other stands for Mariano and Maria. Okay, parang napahaba na po tayo. Yung original part po ng bahay hanggang doon lang sa dulo ng hagdan. Yung nakatayo po, hindi na original yan. Ano yung original part po na andyan lang sa dulo ng hagdan. Yung comfort rooms namin, bago na lang. But, the septic tank there, still original. Kung may oras kayo, mahukay natin. Ito na po comfort rooms namin. Ganun din kalaki yung tinsitak nila noon na ginagamit pa namin ngayon. Okay, nakakapagod pala ganito trabaho. Last part of my tour. Before po to inopen sa public as tourist attraction, abandoned lang to for 67 years. Imagine, ginagawang comfort rooms ng mga squatters. Tirahan ng mga tao nagtatrabaho sa tubuan, talian ng mga kalabaw nila, kambing, baka. But because of determination of Mr. Raymond Havillana, nasabi niya, sa Europe nga pinipreserve yung ruins, dito hindi. Okay, I will enter to my very ambitious dream in life. I will transform it into a tourist attraction and to give justice to the place as well. Kasi parang binaboy na ng tao. Pero you know what? Nakaka-proud lang sabihin sa inyo that even though 4 years pa lamang kami open sa public, we are already at rank 12 for the most fascinating ruins. Not only here in the Philippines, but around the world. Imagine kung ilang ruins meron sa buong mundo. For the records ni research ko, there are 12 ruins. Anyway, more than 1,000 ruins. More than 1,000 ruins meron sa buong mundo. Kami pa pa napakarami ng ruins dito. More than 1,000 ruins meron sa buong mundo. But being at rank 12, nakaka-proud sa Negrense na may isang nasama. Then recently lang, we are already awarded or declared by the PICE or Philippines Institute of Civil Engineers as the best landmark in the Philippines. Lahat ng mga awards niyan, lahat ng mga achievements niyan, nakuha at naabot namin yan, not only because of us, but because of you all. Anyway, I would like again to introduce myself. My full name is Roger Lacson. But I'm not related kasi yung Lacson ko L-A-K. L-A-K-S-O-O-N. Lacson. Siguro kasi kung yung may-ari nito, apo na sa tuhod, ako yung apo sa ingrown. Yung ingrown tinatanggal. Pero gusto kong malaman nyo, yung ingrown bumabalik. Thank you so much.
It's one guy who knows all the best photogenic places here is Roger.
Lahat po ng angle dito maganda, depende sa subject yon. If you want souvenirs outside, meron kami souvenir shop doon. Pumasok na kayo doon kasi next week susunugin ko rin yun.